Welcome back, guys. So today I am going to tell you how to create an e-commerce menu cart for WordPress website totally free. So let me show you the demo that I have created for you guys. After watching this complete video, you will get this menu cart on your website. So let me show you. Here is the menu cart. So when you click on it, get this. And we have the menu cart on the right bottom corner as well here. So let me go back to my dashboard. So let me show you the mobile view and tablet view as well. So here's the mobile view and we have the tablet view as well. So now let me go back to my dashboard. Here I will go back to plugins, then I will click on add new plugin. So here we need to search for side cart plugins. I will search for side cart. So here is my side cart plugin. So I will we need to install and activate this plugin. So I already installed and activated the side cart WooCommerce cart plugin. So then I will go back to my plugins. I have installed the Elementor adder and footer builder as well to make my adder and insert the menu cart. So if you are using another plugin, another builder, so you can add the menu card there as well. So let me go to the appearance, then click on Elementor adder and footer. So here I will delete this one and I will click on add new. Now here I will give it a title. So I will give it adder and type of template I will choose adder, and here select I will display on entire website. I will click on publish. From here, I will click on edit with Elementor. So I will make my header here and then I will insert my menu cart. I will click on plus icon, flex box. I will choose these three containers and I will go back to my widget section and here drag and drop image to insert my logo. Again, I will click on plus icon. I will search for menu. Here I will drag and drop my navigation menu and here I will click on plus icon and here I will search for button. I will drag and drop my call to action button. I will click on six dots and here content width I will make it full width. I will go back to style tab and background tab. I will make it white. So, okay, I will click on my image and here I will insert my logo. So here is my logo. I will select it and on this section and here I will click on edit container, justify content center, align item center here as well, justify content center, align item center as well, same as it is button, justify content center, align item center as well. On here I will click on and here I will insert a new container and I will move this container on the left side of the call to action button. And here, let me move this one here and let me move here. Let me make it P4 and let me make this 4R4. Okay, and I will go back to plus icon and here I will search for short code. I will drag and drop the short code here. Here it is. And same as it is, click on edit container, center and center. I will go back to my plugins. So, and then I will go back to sidecar to WooCommerce settings. From here, I will go to info and here the basket chart code you can see. I will copy this code and I will paste it into here on the short code section. Here it is. I will click on publish. I will visit my site. Let me visit my website. So here you can see our basket is appearing. Here is our menu card. I will go back and I will click on this button section. And here I don't want the button section to be appear on mobile and tablet. So I will go advanced and responsive. I will hide it on tablet and mobile as well. Click on publish. I will go tablet view. So now you can see it's not appearing here. I will click on here on my menu and I will go to layout and here the breakpoint I will change it to mobile. It is now. I will move this one here on the right side. So here it is. Click on publish. Let me refresh this and let me show you the tablet view. Now here you can see here is our tablet view. Now we need to change the mobile view. So let me go back and let me go here. I will click on here on edit container on width. I will change it to VW and let me make it 40 same as it is. I will click on this section. I want to change the menu bar icon. I will click on layout and here menu icon. I will search for bar. Here it is. I will choose the bars and I will insert it. Here same as it is, edit container, pixel to VW and let me make it 25. And here on this section same as it is, W and let me make it 25. Let me move it little bit here. Let me make it, yeah. Let me move this one little bit, 44, and let me make it 25. And let me click on publish. Like here, let me refresh it. So now you can see it's looking good. Logo, let me make it on here on the left start. Now you will see it's quite good. So here it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.